Users with multiple Grants.gov accounts are now able to access all of their accounts using a single username and password. First though, they will be prompted to help Grants.gov with a little house cleaning. Here's how the process of combining accounts will work. Users should log in to the account that they want to make their permanent primary account. Users will then be shown a list of all their other accounts. These will become profiles. Users will also have the option of deleting any of the accounts that are inactive or unwanted. Completing this process is highly encouraged and will take only a few minutes. Some users may not want to merge their accounts. As an alternative, the user may choose to log into each account and replace the duplicate email address with a unique email address. For more information, see the online user guide.